Hello? Yes, sir. Everybody's safe. I'm next to the corpses right now, but I don't think this is the end of this, sir. To me, this doesn't feel anything like senior leadership. Yeah. Yes, sir, I do. I do.
Flurry!
Schmidt, you all right?
Yeah.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Throw up on your tie. Want some water?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You sure?
Yes.
Lucky bastard, Flurry. Congratulations.
You won the hand on the river card.
He didn't win anything. These are just teenagers, kids, insignificant.
I'm looking at 1, 2, 3, 4 bad guys, a whole lot of guns. This is good stuff. You did good. Pack up, revel in the fact that when you get home for a few weeks, your shit's not gonna stink, all right? Turn those frowns upside down, people. This will be pitched as a stunning Saudi-only counterpunch, killing those responsible for El Roman. The Al Jazeera is gonna play up the fact that there's an FBI presence here.
Hello. Put it down.
Yeah.
Put it down.
You got it.
It's time to go home. The 4 of you are on a plane now.
4 vehicles will be left behind when the Prince and the press leave. You'll convoy straight to BA flights into Dulles. Last minute fares come out of all your pockets. I tried to get you an upgrade. Doesn't look good. Check at the counter. All right?
You guys are heroes. Fly safe.
Going straight to Diamond Dan's, order 6 PBR.
Hats? Sykes, really?
Best beer on the planet.
Yeah, you,
I like your taste.
yeah, you get laid, you go and you take a couple high fives and you...
Well, Ghazi, what do you think? What's going on in that head of yours?
Amateurs. It's a small win.
Reminds me of when they hit the towers first time, 93. Remember how they caught this hell?
Car bomb.
Yep.
He went back to get his deposit on the rental car.
$400. Stupidity. And 9 years later, they come back. I got a feeling I'm coming back, too.
Yes, you will. Yes, you will.
I didn't even know you could still buy that.
Oh,
It only
shit,
comes in
yeah.
keg form.
You think they just hand that blue ribbon out? Do you? It's not just some cute little name. It was just Pabst, and then they won the ribbon. And now it's Pabst Blue Ribbon.
You ever had canned beer when you do it?
Hey, Thumb, you guys have Pabst Blue Ribbon out here? Well, you don't even have beer out here.
You can't drink beer.
No pork?
Yeah, I used to do keg stand.
Yeah, and well, what does that mean? Like you don't like things that are boring?
cannot lose him, you understand? We can't lose. We lose him, he's dead.
There he is right there, let's go. Take the left, take the left, take the left. Oh, there he is! Watch it out, guys! Right there, don't lose. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
He went to the left. You're gonna lose him. Do not lose him.
No, it's Sweden. This is not good area. We shouldn't be here. We shouldn't be here.
Suburban to the right.
Mercedes straight ahead.
All right, we're in it, we're in it, we're in it.
Hold it.